Hello everyone. Welcome back to our YouTube channel The Informant. If you are new to this channel, let me just remind you that we make videos related to online services, education, placement drives and many more. If you have not subscribed our channel yet, please do hit that red button so that you get latest notifications first on your screen. So as you all know, our today's video is about Accenture Internet Allowance. So you can claim 1000 every month in Accenture for your internet or Wi-Fi allowances. So in this video, we'll be explaining how to claim your Wi-Fi or internet allowance every month. What is the procedure, in which portal you must go, and what details you might submit. Each and every detail we'll be discussing in our today's video. So please watch till the end so that you don't miss any important updates. So as well as before starting this video, I would like to inform you that we have made other videos on Accenture, such as how to claim 18,000 work from home allowances. Yes, there is a 18,000 work from home allowances after you join Accenture. So there is a procedure to claim it. I have made a video. I'll be giving the link in description, and also other videos related to Accenture unboxing kit, Accenture enhanced salary, and many other Accenture videos which you need to see after you join Accenture. So please go through those videos, support us as much as possible. So let's start our today's video. So first of all, what are the terms and conditions to claim your Wi-Fi allowances? See, the terms and conditions are simple here compared to claiming the work from home reimbursement. First of all, the Wi-Fi or internet bill must be in your name. So you must purchase the router or Wi-Fi internet connection in your name so that you'll be getting the bill in your name itself. So if this is like the only condition they have. If you this it is satisfied, then no issue. Second is it should be of the latest month. For example, now it's December, so you need to claim the entire month of December or November month. So latest month bill only you can claim. And where to submit? You must submit in the MyTE portal. When you submit the second fortnight of the MyTE portal, there you need to submit. We'll discuss this later in today's video. So amount will be credited approx 7th of upcoming month. So example, you have recently submitted in your second fortnight, that is before 27th December of the MyTE, then you'll be getting the amount in January 7th. No payment proof is needed. So as in work from home reimbursement, you must have to upload the payment proof, like it should be in your name. It must be deducted from your bank account itself. So in Wi-Fi allowance, there is no such condition. If you have a proper bill with GST and other details, there should be a invoice number, invoice date, GST details, and also the name, your address. So if these things are there, then no other thing is needed, no payment proof is needed. So let's see the procedure how to claim it. So first of all, you might the employees of Accenture might be familiar with this MyTE because this is the first thing you do when you get into Accenture. You must submit your timesheet and you must submit your expenses and your location where you are working. So especially for freshers, it would be changing for LKM training, for NJX training. So you need to update each and every location that where you were at that time. So you'll be aware with this website. So you know, as usual, you submit the time and location over here. You might see the second option, that is expenses. So if you go to second option expenses, and you can see select expenses to add. So if you select there, you can see list of items where you can claim, like accommodation, hotel, apartment, car parking, meals, example. So you can see the last third option, that is telecom/internet. So you need to press this option. Once you press this option, you'll get this information to fill. First of all, the charge code. It's very important. So, example, you're claiming it in first month of your joining. Then you need to give your normal charge code, which you'll be giving for your My Time and Expenses. That is AAC Tech Percent 1 year charge code. Then after your stream training is finished, then you need to give the charge code. For example, if you're in bench, you'll be having your separate bench charge code. You need to give that. Otherwise, if you're not on bench, if you're on project, you'll be having separate project charge code. So you need to submit that, whichever you are. Next is the amount. So exact amount including GST, you need to fill over here. Next is country, India. Currency is INR itself. Then from to date. In your bill, you'll be having from when to when you have paid the bill and for what month. So you need to type in the exact month, number of days in that. So type of connection, it will be like internet or Wi-Fi, anything. And connection type, it is prepaid or postpaid, you need to select over here. Next is service provider. There will be some prominent five providers like Jio, Airtel, which are all over India. If you have any local network also, not an issue. You can give us other provider and type in the name. As I told you, invoice number is important, so you need to fill in your invoice number here and vendor GST number at last. So after you do this, you can see you need to type in the SGST and CGST amount. You'll find that in the bill itself that how much SGST and how much CGST is getting deducted from it. So that amount you need to fill here and other provider name. In case if you are selecting other provider, you can fill in the other provider name. So this was the simple process which you need to submit and you can claim up to 1000 rupees. So for example, if your bill is more than 1000 rupees, then only 1000 only will get credited to your account. If it's less than 1000, then you'll get that much amount. Example, if it's 500, 700, 800, only the exact amount will be credited. So try to purchase a plan which is around 1000. It will be beneficial for you as well. So I hope you understand this process clearly. So this is very simple process. Many of the employees in Accenture who are, as example for freshers, they don't know that they have this facility in Accenture that you can claim 1000 every month. So yes, you can claim. I have already claimed. The members who have joined September, October, November, they have already claimed this and they have already got this. So you can claim it. So utilize this opportunity as much as possible. So guys, this was all about our today's video. If you find any doubt, please drop down in the comment section. I reply to each and every comment personally. So I'll be replying to you as soon as possible and will be clarifying your doubts. Not only related to work from home, Wi-Fi reimbursement, anything related to Accenture or Cognizant or any other company, please feel free to ask. You can also join our Telegram channel and Instagram. We'll be replying you there as well. So this was all about our today's video, guys. I hope you liked our today's video. If you find our content informative, please do like, share, subscribe, and stay tuned to our YouTube channel. Thank you.